Hey, furniture folks, I've got a special Halloween edition furniture flip for you this time. Just a little bit of a spooky vibe. So, to quote Donkey from the movie Shrek, is that blood? Let's find out. Come with me as we take a closer look. There wasn't a lot of takedown with this piece, but it was 1990s farmhousing it so hard that I had to at least try to bring it into this century. So I cut out the cross section of that top glass piece. Really more sad, depressed pieces are kind of more my jam. But this one I thought would be fun to have a project that there wasn't a lot of repairs needed. And I won't lie, this was great. You could just kind of get to the fun stuff right away. I mean, I guess besides trying to find out if there's bodily fluids all over this pine, it's pretty easy. The clients had just bought a modern farmhouse style home that is a little tight on space, but they didn't want to have to sacrifice one of their favorite amenities from their past house, which was a breakfast bar. So when I saw this corner hutch, I thought this would be a great solution to their issue. I removed the dated pole, filled that hole, and then cut a slat for a new, more modern pole. Okay, the verdict is in. Did we get DNA from a 30-year-old murder? We did not. I did a hydrogen peroxide test and it came back negative. So I think this is just pen that, pun intended, bled onto this pine. I painted 2 coats of clear shellac so it didn't bleed through to the new paint color. I got to have some fun and make a custom color, and I love how it turned out. I wish I would have saved what I did so I could use it on a project in the future. But let me know what you think. I also got to try a new product for me, which is the spray polyacrylic, and it was okay. Maybe I'll give it another go, but I don't know if it's worth the cost. Maybe I'm just cheap. Last, I waxed the drawers. This is something I do on all of my pieces just to really help those drawers slide in and out smooth. And then here's the final product. I drilled a small hole in the back so that all of the cords could pass through so there wouldn't be any messy cordage, and then screwed a mug holder into the top of the hutch so all of their cups could be in one place for their little breakfast nook. Thanks for investigating this potential true crime furniture piece with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.